Welcome to Ifa Stories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. The War of Odùdùwà and Òrìṣàńlá, Batala. Prayer, Rezo. Òrìṣàńlá elugwa esalaye. Kaleno ebora Orisa otempe Odùdùwà sara ile igbin. Adie aguema agba Orisa kan isalaye imale. Ayaloren egun mosale Òrìṣàńlá elugwa isalaye kalen iye boye batala. Jekwa baba ba eni alaile kafifefun. Olofin kafifefun agba Orisa. Offering, Ibo. 1 5-toed hen. A lot of earth from the house. A chain, smoked hutia and fish. Toasted corn, candle, coconut, and a lot of money. Chant, Suyere. Gbogbo ara ile adase Ifa. Gbogbo ara ile adase baba. Story. At the beginning of the world, all the Orishas lived in Ajalorun, as only water ruled on earth. Olofin, wishing to create Salaye, called Òrìṣàńlá, and, by order of Runmila, gave him a chain, a seashell filled with earth, and a 5-toed hen. Runmila performed divination and saw Ojuani Meyi, so he prescribed Ibo with all these elements so that Òrìṣàńlá could descend to Esalaye and create the land. The other Orishas, envious because they had not been chosen by Olofin to descend, conspired against Òrìṣàńlá. They threw a feast in his honor, gave him strong liquor, and he became intoxicated, falling into a deep sleep. Odùdùwà, his brother, took advantage of this moment to steal his attributes. He then went to see Sumare, who served as the bridge between Ajalorun and Esalaye, and, accompanied by Aguema, descended to earth. Holding onto the chain, he scattered the earth from the seashell, placed the 5-toed hen on top, and it scratched and spread the earth. Then he released the Aguema to see if the ground was firm. Once the chameleon signaled that the land was stable, Odùdùwà descended. He touched the earth, leaving no trace, a mystery that endures to this day. When Òrìṣàńlá woke up and saw what had happened, he swore never to drink strong liquor again. He confronted Odùdùwà, his elder brother, claiming that the domain of the earth was rightfully his by decree of Olofin. Odùdùwà responded that he was the true owner because he had created it. The two brothers began to fight, and other Orishas descended to take sides. Seeing this, Olofin called them all and decreed, the war must end. Although Odùdùwà acted cunningly, he created the earth and will be its ruler. But you, Òrìṣàńlá, shall hold the great power of being the creator of humanity and the owner of all heads and bodies in Esalaye. Olofin then sent 5 beings to earth, as they were necessary to strengthen the world. These were Odùdùwà, Òrìṣàńlá, Runmila, Ranife, Sango, Elesije, Sanyin Inifa. Thus ended the war between Òrìṣàńlá and Odùdùwà.